Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable one-hand mode in Vivo V23 smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to open settings, then swipe up, then choose shortcuts and accessibility here. Then swipe up, you can see one-handed, you need to click on that. Now you need to click access mini screen using gesture. So now we enabled that. So if you want to enable or use the mini screen or one-handed mode, you need to use like this gesture. You can see like this. Also you can change the position of the one-handed mode into left or right or top to bottom. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.